or not, this entire video started as a simple text document. I made it in just about 10 minutes, with no camera and zero editing skills. You know how it is. You get that flash of inspiration, that brilliant idea, but then you think about the expensive gear, the complicated software, or the weeks it would take to actually learn professional video editing. It's exhausting. But what if you could skip all of that? In this video, I'm going to show you, step by step, how we can turn a simple piece of text, like a basic idea or a script, into a finished, professional-looking video using one incredible AI tool. This is your fast track from idea to final video. Let's dive in. So what does it actually mean to create a video from text? If you're a complete beginner, it probably sounds like science fiction, but it's become surprisingly simple. Think of AI video generators as the ultimate assistant, designed to do all the heavy lifting for you. These tools take your words, whether it's a quick idea or a full script, and automate the tedious parts of video production. First, many of these tools can help you write or punch up your script from just a simple thought. The AI then analyzes that script scene by scene and automatically finds visuals to match what you're saying. This could be high-quality stock video clips, images, or even brand new scenes that the AI generates from scratch. Next, it adds a natural-sounding voiceover in whatever language and style you choose, reading your script perfectly. To finish it off, it layers in some background music, adds smooth transitions between scenes, and even generates captions to make your video more engaging. The result? You, the creator, get to go from a blank page to a video that's ready to share, without ever needing a camera, a microphone, or a confusing editing timeline. It completely changes the game for anyone who's ever felt stuck behind a technical wall. Now, there are a lot of amazing AI video tools out there, and they all have different strengths. Some, like Synthesia or HeyGen, are fantastic for creating videos with realistic AI avatars, which are perfect for company training or presentations. Others, like Pictory, are brilliant at turning long articles or blog posts into quick summary videos. But for our goal today, creating a professional video from a simple idea in under 10 minutes, we need a tool that's all about automation and ease of use. For this tutorial, we're going to use a tool called InVideo AI. I chose it because it's built from the ground up to generate a complete video from a single instruction, making it one of the most beginner-friendly options available. It writes the script, finds the visuals, adds the voiceover, and stitches it all together with very little work from you, which is perfect for our 10-minute challenge. All right, the clock is ticking. Let's jump into the step-by-step workflow. I'm going to walk you through the whole thing, and you'll see just how easy this is. Step 1. Define your goal. Before you write a single word, you need to know what you're making and who you're making it for. A great video always starts with a clear goal. In a tool like InVideo AI, it asks for this info right away because it helps the AI make smarter creative choices. You just need to answer 3 quick questions. Who is this for? What should they get out of it? And where are you posting it? For our example, let's say we're making a short promo video. Our goal could be, I want a 60-second Instagram video for local customers to promote my new coffee shop's weekend discount with a friendly and cozy tone. That's it. That one sentence gives the AI all the context it needs. Step 2. Write your prompt. Next up is the main instruction. You don't need a perfectly formatted screenplay. A short prompt that describes the video is all it takes. Based on our goal, here's a simple prompt we could write. Create a 1-minute promo video for a new neighborhood coffee shop. The vibe should be friendly and inviting. Highlight our fresh, daily baked pastries, the special 20% weekend discount, and our cozy, relaxing atmosphere. The video is for Instagram, so make it vertical and engaging. See how we included the key ingredients? The product, the offer, the feeling, and the platform. For beginners, this is a game changer because the AI takes this and generates a full script, letting you skip writer's block entirely. Step 3. Generate the first draft. 2 minutes. This is where the real fun begins. We paste our prompt into InVideo AI. The platform will ask you to confirm a few things, like the voiceover gender and accent, and the style of background music. Once you've picked those, you just hit one button. Generate video. In the background, the AI is now working like crazy. It's writing a script, scene by scene. It's searching millions of stock video clips for shots that match. Coffee pouring, fresh pastries, people chilling out. It's generating the voiceover, syncing it up, and adding background music and captions. This whole process usually just takes a couple of minutes. And boom, just like that, a full first draft of your video appears. This is that wow moment where your little idea suddenly becomes a real, moving video. By the way, if you're finding this workflow as cool as I do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out and tells me you want more videos on amazing AI tools like this. Step 4. Quick edits to make it shine. 4 minutes. The AI-generated video is usually about 80% of the way there, which is incredible. But to get that last 20% of professional polish, we just need to make a few quick tweaks. For a 10-minute project, you only need to focus on 3 things. First, the script. Read through what the AI wrote. If a sentence feels a bit long or you want to rephrase something, you can edit the text directly and the voiceover will automatically re-record itself. Second, the visuals. The AI does a great job, but sometimes a clip might not be exactly what you had in mind. If you see a scene you want to change, maybe it shows tea instead of coffee, you just click on it and search the media library for a better fit. You can type in latte art or cozy cafe and just drag and drop a new clip right into its place. It's that easy. Third, the branding. You can quickly add your brand's colors and logo to make sure the video looks like it came from you. Many tools even have text commands where you can just type things like, "Make the music quieter here," or "Change the font to something more modern," and the AI does it for you. The goal here isn't perfection, it's making a few high-impact changes that really elevate the video in just a few minutes. Step 5. Export and publish. 1 minute. Once you're happy with your edits, there's only one thing left to do: export. Just hit the Export or Publish button. For a professional look, always choose the highest quality you can, usually 1080p. The tool will render your final video, and you can download it and upload it straight to Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or wherever you plan to share it. And there you have it. From a one-sentence idea to a finished, professional video, all in about 10 minutes. Now that you know the workflow, here are a few simple tips that will make your AI videos look even more professional, without taking up much more time. First up, keep it short and focused. For social media, videos between 1 and 3 minutes usually do best. Stick to one clear message. Our coffee shop video was all about promoting the weekend discount. Don't try to cram too much in. Second, design for mobile and for silent viewing. Use big, high-contrast text that's easy to read on a phone screen. Since a lot of people watch videos with the sound off, make sure your captions are clear and deliver the most important info. Third, keep your style consistent. Use a template or theme inside the AI tool to make sure your colors and fonts are the same throughout the video. This makes everything look much more cohesive and professional. And a final tip that makes a huge difference: pay attention to the audio. Pick a natural-sounding AI voice that matches your brand's personality, and make sure the background music isn't so loud that it drowns out the narration. Clean audio is one of the biggest signs of a professional video. A question I get all the time is, can you really do this for free? The answer is yes, but with a few catches. Most beginner-friendly tools have free plans or trials that are surprisingly powerful. However, these free versions usually come with a couple of trade-offs. The most common is a watermark from the tool on your final video. You might also run into limits on how many videos you can export each month, or be stuck with a lower resolution like 720p. My advice is to start on a free plan to learn the ropes and create your first few videos. If you start making content regularly and need to get rid of watermarks, export in 1080p, or access more premium stock footage, then upgrading to a paid plan is the logical next step. For watching. If you want more tutorials on using AI to grow your brand or channel, be sure to subscribe. You can find a link to try out the tool we use today down in the description. Now go out there and start creating.